Hello friends, this is DK Gautam and welcome you in our YouTube channel Interview Points. So thank you for joining Interview Points. So in this video I am gonna discuss about one of the most interesting topic is nothing but Angular 4. Okay, so now let's get started. So this is my first video on Angular 4. Okay, so in this video, in this series I am going to discuss step-by-step tutorial on Angular 4. Okay. So now first understand the Angular 4. What is Angular? So introduction to Angular 4. So we will be taking about Angular instead of Angular 2 or Angular 4, as from Angular 2 onwards Angular community has decided to refer any version of Angular JS as just Angular. Okay, so as you know, the first version of Angular is Angular JS, but now from now onwards on Angular 2 they have changed the name of like Angular 2 or Angular 4. So the Angular is the one of the most popular JavaScript open source framework for creating client-side web applications. It is maintained by the Google. So by using Angular we can create the single page web applications for the client side. Okay, so now it is the Angular 4 is released in March 2017. So what you should know before going to learn Angular 4? So you should have the basic knowledge of HTML, basics of CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so instead of JavaScript, for Angular 4 we are going to use TypeScript. What is TypeScript? TypeScript is nothing but it is the superset of JavaScript. Okay, so TypeScript is developed by Microsoft. So we should know the TypeScript. So if you don't know the TypeScript, it is very simple. It is similar to JavaScript. So don't worry guys, and TypeScript also after compiling it converts into the JavaScript code. Okay, so don't worry guys. So and you should have the programming fundamentals knowledge. Okay, so now the next part is what you should have in your system for working with Angular and Angular 4. Okay, so you should have Angular, and for working with Angular you should have Node.js. So and npm. If you have Node.js, then npm is automatically installed in your PC. Okay, so what is npm? Npm is nothing but Node Package Manager. Okay, so editor. So you can have any one editor. So like a Notepad, Visual Studio Code, and so many editors are there. You can also use Visual Studio, but in this series I am going to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, so it is the Microsoft editor. So it is the open source and freely available on the website. So you can download Visual Studio Code. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Visit us my Facebook page, and my blog is www.dkinterviewpoint.blogspot.com. And I hope you would enjoy this video. I would like to have feedback from you. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys and all the best. Don't miss to my next video.